Before the nations, before languages, before borders divided humanity, there was one people, one voice, one dream. But one decision changed everything. Today, we uncover the powerful lessons in the epic story of the Tower of Babel from Book of Genesis. Before we tell the story, let's talk about what it teaches us. Because Babel isn't just ancient history, it's a warning. For us today, Lesson 1. Pride destroys what talent builds. Humans had skill, intelligence, unity, but they didn't want to honor God. They wanted to replace Him. When ambition turns into arrogance, collapse follows. Lesson 2. Unity is powerful, but dangerous without purpose. Imagine the whole world working together. No wars, no divisions, just one mind. Sounds amazing, right? But unity without morality, that's how disasters are built faster. Unity must serve good, not ego. Lesson 3. You can't reach heaven by human effort alone. The tower was more than architecture. It was rebellion in brick form, some heights technology can't reach. Lesson 4. Diversity has a divine purpose. Different languages, different cultures, different nations, not accidents, but part of a bigger design. Now, let's go back thousands of years to the moment humanity tried to touch the sky. The flood was over. The world was new again. Humanity had survived. Families grew. Tribes formed. And everyone spoke the same language. Every word understood. Every plan shared.
Let's build a city, not monument, a tower that reaches the heavens, so we make a name for ourselves.
It sounded heroic, but hidden inside was fear and pride. They didn't trust God's plan to spread across the earth. They wanted control. They invented new tools, new methods, new technology, brick by brick. The tower pierced the sky. Humanity had never built anything like it. It was beautiful. It was terrifying. It was rebellion. But heaven was not impressed. God looked down, not at their strength, not at their brilliance, but at their hearts. And He saw something dangerous. If nothing stopped them, there would be no limit to their pride.
Pass me the bricks. ¿Qué estás diciendo? No entiendo. Estoy diciendo que no puedo entender lo que dices. Was sagst du?
Eve! What? I don't understand! ¿Qué dice? ¡Habla más claro! The rope! Pull the...
Language shattered. Unity broke. The great tower stood unfinished, not destroyed by war, not by disaster, but by misunderstanding. They left, north, south, east, west, carrying new languages, new cultures, new destinies. And the place was named Babel, because their speech was confused and humanity was scattered across the earth. The tower still speaks today, not through ruins, but through lessons. Build, but stay humble. Unite, but for good. Dream big, but don't try to replace God, because when pride builds towers, they always fall, but when humility builds lives, they reach heaven without bricks. If this story moved you, subscribe for more epic biblical stories brought to life. Next episode, another mystery from the ancient world.